Today, we're making a volcano that erupts at home. You'll need baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, red food coloring, and a bottle. Place the bottle in the center and build a volcano around it using clay or paper mache. Make it as tall and detailed as you like. Now, fill the bottle with 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 5 drops of red food coloring, and a splash of dish soap. It's time for the eruption. Pour in the vinegar and look at that. Making a volcano at home is that easy. Try using different colors for a multicolored eruption. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun science experiments.